Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is monthly mission of Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Monthly mission is a mission provided by Binance to earn extra points and rewards into Binance. Now, in order to access that, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see this homepage. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after that, you will get to see this option of more services. Tap to more services and you will get to see campaigns and gift option. Now into here, you will get to see this option of monthly missions. Tap into that, and after tapping into monthly missions, you will get a button to join now. It says Binance monthly missions, complete missions to earn Binance point. You just simply have to tap into join now, and after that you will be joined to monthly mission if there is monthly mission available into Binance, and you can complete those missions and earn points and rewards. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.